Thought I might show y'all how to cut a chicken up. Maybe save $1 or $2. You ain't got to buy that pre-cut mess and pay all that big money. Do it the Paw way and save. Do it the Redneck way. Alright. I got to cook this here chicken. But before I can cook it, I got to cut it up. Now normally I'd put it in the sink to do this. You got to wash it once you cut it up. You don't be scared of cutting your own chicken up. First you get rid of it. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Remove this, but do not discard it. Put it in a pot. And here are going to be some more goodies. The liver and all. Going in a pot. Get in there. Now this here is part of the part you don't need, so put it in the pot. Gonna make stock with that. Might make rice, make whatever. Me myself, I'm putting this in the rice pot too for the dirty rice. Cut the wing tips off. Now, the part went over the fence ladder. You don't need that. Can't nobody eat that. That's flavor. So, cut that wing off. And then cut that wing off. Now we got the wings out the way. Now the next thing you do, go around here like this. Cut through the backbone. And then catch it on the other side. Like that. Now you got two big pieces. Now you just roll it over like that. Roll it over like that. Cut down. Cut down. That's the back. Now you hold her up like that. Now you got a leg. The other side. Like that. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you just take scissors, cut that over there. Like that. Onto that. See that? Now, what I do, I just cut across there like that. Have a keel bone piece. Then all you got to do is separate the two middle pieces. Cut this middle out and hoogle out a little out like that. And let's see what all we got here, Paw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Could go ahead on, since this thing is so fat, cut that out like that. That's how the Chinese do it. Now I got 12 pieces of chicken. Now all we got to do is wash it. Wash that nasty chicken, Paw. This He'll make dirty rice out of that.